Today, I am going to reveal the best and smartest frugal living tips for the upcoming recession. Let's start the video. Number 10, stay out of debt. Carrying debt is indeed a burden. During a recession, this can get even worse, so reduce your debt or pay it off completely. During a recession, paying your bills will be less stressful if you don't have a lot of debt payments to make. Paying bills with a credit card can be convenient, but the interest could bite you if you don't pay it off by the end of the month. Instead of paying the original price, it will cost more because of the interest. To avoid this, use cash instead of credit. 80% of Americans have some debt, and as inflation increases and the recession gets closer, debts get more expensive. With this in mind, an excellent way to save money is to pay off your debts as soon as possible. Number 9, save up for your emergency fund. Now's the best time if you still need to start saving for your emergency fund. With a possible recession on the way, this is the time to start saving as much as possible. To know how much funds you need to save, add up your fixed monthly bills like monthly mortgage, car payment, home insurance, petrol, groceries, and utilities. Then multiply that sum by 3. The final amount will give you the emergency fund. If disaster strikes, you'll have at least 3 months to plan. Here, 3 months is the minimum, but recommended is 6 months. Having an emergency fund can save you from financial stress during a recession. Number 8, track your money flow. During recession, the first thing you need to do is to keep track of your money. Write down everything that goes in and out of your bank account. Please take note of all the details, where the money comes from, how you spend it, and so on. You can make things easier by using apps on your phone, but make sure to label and date everything. Find out how much you earn, spend, and save in a week, a month, or a year. You might think this is a lot of work, but trust me, it will be very much helpful down the road. Number 7, set a budget. Now that you've kept track of your cash flow, you can set a budget, knowing exactly how much you need to survive. Set a limit on how much you, and if applicable, your whole household can spend each month, or even better, each week. To take this idea to the next level, if you have a partner and live in a 2-income household, see how close you can get to living off the income of just one person. Under normal conditions, this plan will help you save money. On the other hand, if one partner loses their job because of hard times, you won't be affected because you're used to living on one income. Even though this plan won't help you save more money, don't worry. You can still do a lot to solve this problem by following the next tips. Number 6, maintain a high credit score. People with good credit will be the ones who can easily get a mortgage or other kind of loan. When credit markets get tighter, your credit score will stay high if you pay all your debts on time. You will likely get credit cards with the lowest interest rates if you have a high credit score, and it will keep you in touch with your creditors and keep them happy instead of having to write off your account as bad debt. Congratulations! You have completed 50% of the frugal living tips, and the upcoming 5 will be much more useful and exciting, so keep watching. Number 5, make extra income. During a depression, your regular income might not be enough, so you may have to make up the difference. People who live through depression say they had to work jobs they never thought to stay alive. You can get a side job like tutoring or babysitting. Some people have made careers out of what they were passionate about. During recessions, many people lose their jobs, and the recession of 2022 will be no different. Still, there is a great way to deal with worries about being laid off. One of the best ways to stay financially stable during a recession is to have more than one source of income. Getting a side job is a great way to make extra money and protect your finances in times of trouble. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you could use freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to sell your services and make extra money. Number 4, don't be quick to throw anything away. During depression, waste takes on a new meaning. Try to fix torn clothes or broken appliances before you throw them away. It will cost you less than buying something brand new. Learn how to sew so you can fix your clothes and use old clothes to make new ones. When your shampoo and liquid soap are almost out, add a little water to them to use them for longer. When the bottles are empty, wash them and then use them to hold something else. You can also use old newspapers or magazines to wrap your gifts. If you really want to get rid of your things, you should first sell them online or at a garage sale, so it could get some money in your difficult situations. Number 3, tighten your spending. Once you've taken care of your basic needs, be cautious about spending on your wants. When we see something new and shiny, it's easy to get off track and spend money on things that don't matter to us. $1 saved every day will add up to hundreds by the end of the year. It's easy to forget about small amounts of money, but you should keep track of where your money goes. Whether it was a quick snack or a cheap toy, it didn't matter. Keep track of your spending and figure out what you don't need. Do you need to get the subscriptions? During a depression, you must keep your money close to your heart. Even though $10 per month doesn't seem costly, it will add a lot by the end of the year. Stop paying for things you don't need and save money. Number 2, save on resources. If you have a family, you will spend a lot of money on electricity. Even though this is inevitable, you can quickly lower the amount by following the below tips. Switch from incandescent to LED bulbs. Use natural light. There is no better light than the sun, and it doesn't cost anything. Make sure to leave your curtains open during the day so you don't have to turn on any lights. Suppose you do laundry every day. Try to get into the habit of only doing it when the machine is full, as it is an excellent way to save money. This laundry usage reduction can help you save up to 50% on energy bills every month. Use energy-efficient modes on appliances. If your refrigerator, laptop, toaster, or dryer has energy-efficient modes, now is the best time to use it. Your family can save a lot of money during the coming recession if you can find ways to use less energy. Before I show you the last frugal habit, make sure you like this video and let me know in the comments below, whose frugal living tips do you want to know in our following videos? Number 1. Study for a recession-proof career. Are you worried that you could lose your job because of a recession? Do you worry about how it will affect the quality of your life? One of the best ways to deal with a recession is to find a job that doesn't depend on the economy. Some jobs that won't go away during a recession are working in healthcare, law enforcement, or education. We will always need these jobs, regardless of the economy. Do you want to know the best and smartest frugal living tips from one of the wealthiest people in the world? If yes, click the video. Friends, I hope you got to learn something from this video. If you liked, press the like button and share this video with your friends and family. I will keep bringing such knowledgeable videos for you. Thank you for giving your valuable time.